to most original.
Most original.
Want to read it off?
And the winner is Hellga.
Come on down, Hellga.
As opposed to Heaven, go. Okay, I'll go with that. Oh, shit. Those are weirdos. Stop doing that. Don't walk like that. Don't give me that weird shit either. I'm not kissing those fangs of yours either. I couldn't get near you. Your nose would poke me in the eye. We ain't doing any of that. I'm not going to suck your face, I'll tell you that. Get your cash, you little creep. Oh, okay. Yeah, let me help you. Oh. Get out of here. Get out of here. You're creeping me out. Most original. Most original.
And now we've got the scariest Silent Hill nurse.
Curious, cash prize, Silent Hill nurse. Wow. Very nice. I'm afraid of that, but in a different kind of way. Come on out here, you scary lady. What are you going to do with this money?
I'm going to see how much this version is.
It's $50. What are you going to do? Spend it on gas to get home. Those gas prices are scary, all right.
Okay, and now we've got best of show.
Wow.
The Birds.
The Birds. Chipster boy, you really nailed it. Judges, good call. Good call. You're the only person who's won 2 awards.
Really? Thank you.
Assuming that that's...
First ever kiss!
That's her husband. That's not... You sick bastard. You don't know what I did to her already, so don't worry about it. Congratulations, Tippy. Get the engine, ladies and gentlemen. Grand prize winner.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to take like a 5-minute break before the auction.
And we know that none of you will come back.
Phenomenal what we've got for the auction. Phenomenal. So
Yeah,
if
so
you
if
need
you
to
don't
go
come back,
pee
whoa.
or take a smoke, you'll get a card so that you can come back in, but don't be gone long because we got to like keep going. Okay?
All right.
Love you, let's do it.
5, 7
Run,
minutes.
quick, run!
Did you enjoy it?